Okay, now finishing off, we have the perimeter of a triangle, and this is the right angle triangle. Okay, so here in this triangle, you can see that we don't have all the three sides, we just have the two, but it's a right angle triangle. So I don't have all sides of this triangle, and I need them to calculate the total distance. So I need to find the side which is opposite the 90-degree, which is the hypotenuse. So in order to find the hypotenuse, because it's missing, I know I can use what? Pythagoras to find it. Remember, Pythagoras says the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. That's Pythagoras. So I substitute those values, 2 centimeters, 2 squared, in the place of AB, and then in place of BC, I substitute that 4 squared. I add those values, I get 20. I square root both sides. I write that plus minus for the value with the square root. Then final answer AC is equal to, if I put square root of 20 in the calculator, I get 2 root 5 centimeters. This is what we refer to as surd form. If you leave your answer with a square root still in it, all right, this is what we call surd form. Okay, surd form. So very important that whenever you have an answer with still a square root in it, okay, then we call that surd form. So now we have AC. That means we can fill in that space of AC. It's 2 root 5. We can find the perimeter of the triangle. Take AB plus BC plus AC. Add it together. We get this answer 6 plus 2 root 5 in your calculator. If they had said leave the answer in surd form, we would leave it like this. Okay. But if we are told to round off to 2 decimal places, we'd go ahead, press SD in our calculator and get 10,47 centimeters. Remember, we cut off at 1, 2. This number, we ask ourselves, is it 5 and above? Because if it is, then it says to this number, go up by 1. But if this number is 4, 3, 2, 1, then this number stays the same, and you can see it's done exactly that. Last but not least, the perimeter of a circle, which we call a circumference, C for circumference. It's given by formula 2 times pi times r. That's if we are given the radius. But in the case where we are given the diameter, we can use this formula, pi times d, if we are given the diameter. So in this case, we are given the radius, which is 4 centimeters. So we always simply do, to calculate the perimeter of the circumference, we say 2 times pi times r, which is 4 centimeters. We substitute it in the calculator, and we get 8 pi. We press SD, we get 25,132, whatever. And then remember, if we round off to 2 decimal places, we cut off here. We ask ourselves, what does the 2 say to the 3? It says it stays the same, so we get 25,13 centimeters. In the case where we have not been given the radius, but we've been given the diameter, to calculate the circumference, we can use this formula, pi times d. So all we do is we say pi times d. We substitute the diameter, which is 12. We get 12 pi. We press SD in our calculator. We get 37,69. What does this 9 say to this 9? Go up by 1. This is 69. If we go up by 1, we get 70 centimeters. So it's 37,70 centimeters. These are exercises that you guys can do. I will actually take a photo of these and I can post them so that you guys can check if you are good and understand what I've taught you.